Click on the link below to get price. The SwellPro FD1 Fisherman is a cutting-edge fishing drone that revolutionizes the way anglers approach their favorite pastime. With its impressive 4.8 pounds payload capacity, this drone allows users to effortlessly transport bait to hard-to-reach fishing spots, enhancing the overall fishing experience. One of the standout features is the bait release system, which operates smoothly and reliably. Once you've located the ideal spot, the drone can drop bait precisely where you want it, reducing the time spent casting and waiting. The drone's impressive range and flight time also cater to those who often find themselves fishing in remote areas. With a maximum flight range of over 1.2 miles and a flight time of approximately 20 minutes, the FD1 Plus allows anglers to explore vast bodies of water with ease. The camera quality is another highlight. It features a 4K Ultra HD camera that captures stunning aerial footage of your fishing adventures. This allows anglers not only to scout potential fishing spots but also to record memorable moments from unique perspectives. The drone's FPV, first-person view, capability also enhances the user experience, making it easier to navigate and spot fish. Durability is crucial in any fishing gear, and the FD1 Plus does not disappoint. Built with waterproof materials, this drone is designed to handle splashes and even light rain, making it an ideal companion for those unpredictable weather conditions that often accompany fishing trips. However, beginners may find the learning curve a bit steep. While the drone features various intelligent flight modes, mastering the controls takes some practice. Additionally, battery life could be an issue for anglers looking for extended fishing sessions. A second battery may be a worthwhile investment. Overall, the SwellPro FD1 Fisherman is a game-changer for serious anglers. Its combination of advanced technology, user-friendly features, and robust design makes it an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their fishing experience.